Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and in this video I just want to show you one of the trades that we took last week, and this was on pound CAD. So here we've got the daily chart up of GC pound CAD, and I'm just going to show you the significant things that I like to look for. So if you use this line tool, so we've got this line here. This is significant because it held that price for a number of months. We've got this initial rally here, we've got the drop, the base, and rally again. Now this happened back in September, and prices stayed above this level since September. If we move over here, now in November, price dropped straight through that level. That was on the 14th of November, price dropped straight through. Now the important thing to remember as well is that here on the left side of the chart, we've got pure green candles. That tells me that price should have an easy time traveling back down through, which it did here initially, and then we've got this retrace. So if we drop down to the lower time frame, then we'll see where it retraced to. Let's look at the H1. So here it is. We've got this supply level sitting just below that significant level on the daily chart. Let's mark this on properly in red. So we've got this drop base and then a really big drop. And then prices rallied back up. Now, once I saw this price action, that's when I sent an alert to the premium subscribers to let them know that we may have a short trade on. And as you can see, it worked out quite nicely. Let's just get rid of that for a minute. Okay, let's move the cursor along. So I always look for confirmation. 50-minute chart. This is what happened. So we've got this demand level here. Let's mark that on in blue. Okay, so this demand level was engulfed, as you can see. If we look up, we can see what caused that engulf, and that was this supply level here. And I'll admit it's not the nicest looking supply, but it's pretty clear that after this rally up and this base, the short came from that area up there to engulf this demand. So I entered around here with a stop above the H1 level. So my stop is always above the main supply or demand level. Entry here, stop above here. Now as you can see, price did take a while. If I put the days on, you can see that price stayed up there for almost a whole day before dropping down. It messed around for a little bit more before the final drop on Friday. So this trade netted a nice amount of pips, as you can see. Now if we look where price stopped, let's mark this line up down here as well. Let's take the days off, zoom out to the daily. Now price was not able to break below this previous level here. So because of that, I exited the trade. That's one of the reasons I exited the trade. So price wasn't able to break below, and this is an area where price rallied over 700 pips from before. Over 700 pips from that level. So back to Friday, price was around here, wasn't able to break below that level. Now on the 5-minute, we had this little rally base, small drop. Stick this little supply level on, and then we had an engulf. So after that, I exit the trade around here. That was one of the trades from last week that came in. This is something we look for. This is either from a long-term perspective based on this price action on the daily chart, but this could easily be taken by just looking at the H1 as well. So that's just one of the trades, and if you'd like to see more, stay tuned. Subscribe to the premium content if you want to get these in advance. Now until next time, happy trading.